Good day, Ma'am Pardo. Good day, classmates. I am Rudy Galapin Jr. and I am here today to answer the given task. So, first, for me, I do believe that commitment is very important, not just a student, but also as an individual in our society. So, for example, when we're trying to make a plan or to think something, an important decision for our future or for our present life, we must spend a lot of time thinking about it or, di ba, sa like, kay, dira na involved ang future. So, if we're going to try to make a plan lang, plano lang, so wala may tabo, di ba? But if we're trying to combine the commitment and planning, na dyan siya may tabo, kaya dira makita na interesado ta na. So when we're going to go to it, so na dyan tayo kapitulungan kay interesado mo sa kanan na butang. So, like no, so for example, ganahan ko magtukod og business, then pang long last na business, so balag magdugay sa 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, or more pa na years sa akong business, kay I must commit on it, kay giplano man ako na, and then dira sa interesado, that mo na tong i-make sure na kung mohimot nag importanteng decision sa akong kinabuhi, we must apply our commitments. Ana, next is unity. So, ang unity, kay group of people na siya na nagtinabangay. In term of Bisaya pa naghiusa. So in that way unity no kay ang job kay mas dali na buhaton and also makaless og time sa tong trabaho. So if ever na niles ang time sa tong pagtrabaho, daghan tag mabuhat na mga trabaho pa. So like daghan jud tag mga projects na mahuman, mga accomplishments and achievements no. Next is integrity. So as a HM student no na dapat proud ta, and also we must defend our name kay ang uban gi yano ang HM na course no, like mana sila na so yun ram na on 2 years or something like that nga no miswila pa mga college diba. So HM hospital management is not that easy, so it takes us a lot of time to understand and to study the how this hospitality management works no. So we're going to focus on it. We're going to focus and priority academics no, dira mabutang po ang commitment as a student no, kay dapat mag-focus ang priority to get the enough knowledge na kailangan nato. Next is ang spirituality. So we must preserve our mental health. So in what way man, I know how tiring or unsa ka stress ang ato ang kinabuhi as not just student but as an individual. So dili na kalimtan na mo-communicate sa Ginoo. So balag sa tayo butang, ma-successful man or di, we must pray to God na to guide us no ngana. So bisa sa tong pag-pray dili mawala atong problema apan nakapakalma ta or mapagaan atong pamati, di ba? So, kung mo-communicate ta sa Ginoo. So that is the importance of the words na nasa core values. Thank you.